Hey guys, this morning has been a lot. So yesterday we found out that Advocate Dalimpofu resigned from the EFF and is joining MK. Which the former national organizer of MK comes out and says Dalimpofu is lying. He says uDalimpofu is lying. I'm the one who recruited uDalimpofu because President Zuma did not want uDalimpofu to be involved because he was already dealing with his legal cases, and also he was a member of the Economic Freedom Fighters. So he's lying that there was a point where only him and Jacob Zuma knew about MK. In fact, even Jacob Zuma is also lying because Jacob Zuma, we had to convince him to be part of MK. It's a question that I've been asking, who is the founder of MK? They can't agree on who is the founder. Besapila. How much more when they pass away? Why is it not made clear, Kwangoku, who is the founder of MK? Who came with the idea of MK? I think the name part, it was decided that Jacob Zuma decided to name it Umkhonto. But who came with the idea? If Jacob Zuma was brought into the plan later on, who came with the plan of founding MK? Why are everyone claiming to be the founder of MK? And this guy says, I'm also not the founder of MK. But I was there in the beginning. The traditional leaders and the what apparently, and the churches apparently, they are the founders. I don't know, Betunan. It's so confusing. And Gengokis is that Floyd and Abanye, they are joining under the umbrella of Jacob Zuma. When Jacob Zuma is no longer there, what's gonna happen? Because the people that were there in the beginning of MK, they don't agree. This guy says one of our biggest points was, we will not accept people from other political parties to come and occupy positions. But he says that's what's happening. So who's who? What's happening? So I've just posted a full video on YouTube. Go check it out. Then you're gonna find out the interview of this guy. His name is McDonald. Oh, guys, I'm so sick. I'm so sorry. So what's happening? And then at the end, he says that I'm now convinced that those guys from the EFF are gonna take over MK. They want to collapse MK. He also says that President Zuma lied to us because he said this was for the people. Hey, but Kandi, what's happening? Ma MK, all you guys do need kwaza aniyazi noma kwenzeka ntoni in your own organization. All you do is kwaza mkhonto niyahleka kumnandi, aniyazi uba kwenzeka ntoni in your own organization. This is bad.